In the ever-evolving world of smartphones, Samsung is poised to steal the spotlight once again with its much-anticipated release, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. The buzz around this device has reached a fever pitch, especially with the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event scheduled for January 18, 2024. What can we expect from this latest addition to the Galaxy S series, and how does it promise to outshine its predecessor, the widely acclaimed Samsung A54 5G? The prelude to Galaxy Unpacked. As the rumors swirl, Samsung seems to be gearing up for a grand entrance with the Galaxy A55 5G set to be the successor of the immensely popular A54 5G. This new iteration promises not just an upgrade, but a leap into the future of mid-range smartphones. The anticipation is palpable, fueled by leaks and speculations circulating the tech sphere. What we know so far, rumors suggest that the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G will be a game-changer, and here's why. Reports from Sam Mobile indicate that the device has been spotted on the certification site of the Indian Regulatory Authority, bearing the model number SUMAG 556 EDS. While details are scant, whispers in the digital wind hint at groundbreaking features that were once reserved for high-end models. Design elegance and camera mastery. Aesthetically, the Galaxy A55 seems to be stepping up its game. Leaked renders showcase a sleek design reminiscent of its predecessor, the A54, with a notable refinement in the side frame, exuding a glossy allure. The triple camera setup on the rear is said to include a powerful 50MP main lens, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens. For selfie enthusiasts, the front camera is rumored to boast a 32MP resolution. Under the hood, what truly sets the Galaxy A55 apart is the expected integration of the Exynos S5e 8845 chipset, rumored to be the Exynos 1480. This chipset is set to revolutionize the mid-range smartphone market, with impressive CPU performance scores surpassing its predecessor, the Exynos 1380. The octa-core chipset boasts 4 high-performance CPU cores reaching up to 2.75 GHz, and 4 efficiency cores operating at up to 2.05 GHz. Gaming prowess and GPU excellence. In a surprising move, the Galaxy A55 is rumored to be Samsung's first mid-range smartphone equipped with a GPU from the Exynos series, the Exynos 1480. What's more, it's said to feature an AMD RDNA 2-based architecture, a technology previously exclusive to Samsung's flagship models like the Exynos 2200 for the Galaxy S24 series. This promises an unparalleled gaming experience with smooth, lag-free performance, display brilliance, and refresh rate magic. The Galaxy A55 is rumored to sport a vibrant 6.5-inch OLED display with a full HD resolution and an impressive 120Hz refresh rate. This means users can expect fluid animations, seamless scrolling, and an overall visually stunning experience. The display is anticipated to be a standout feature, elevating the device's appeal in the fiercely competitive mid-range segment. Battery power and charging wizardry. To fuel these impressive features, the Galaxy A55 is expected to house a robust 5,000 mAh battery. What's even more exciting is the support for 25W fast charging, ensuring that users spend less time tethered to charging cables and more time enjoying the device. Samsung seems to be addressing the crucial aspect of battery life, a concern for many smartphone users. Simply revelations. Galaxy A35 on the horizon. The rumors don't stop with the Galaxy A55. Samsung is also speculated to be releasing the Galaxy A35, the successor to the A34. It is rumored to feature the Exynos 1380 chipset, paired with 6 GB of RAM, providing users with a solid mid-range alternative. Release date and pricing whispers. While Samsung is yet to officially unveil these smartphones, the release pattern of the A54 in March 2023 suggests that the Galaxy A55 may follow suit. The global launch is expected in the first quarter of 2024. As for the price tag, speculation places it in the $6 million range, aligning with its predecessor's pricing strategy. Conclusion: the next Galaxy marvel awaits. As we await the official reveal from Samsung, the Galaxy A55 5G stands poised to be a formidable contender in the mid-range smartphone arena. With its rumored top-notch features, gaming capabilities, and sleek design, it could very well follow in the footsteps of its successful predecessor. However, it's crucial to note that these details are based on rumors and leaks, and the actual specifications may vary. Samsung enthusiasts and potential buyers are advised to stay tuned for the official announcement to get the most accurate, up-to-date information. In the ever-evolving landscape of smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is shaping up to be more than just a device. It's a glimpse into the future of mid-range excellence. Buckle up, tech enthusiasts. The next marvel from Samsung is about to unfold. Stay tuned for the latest updates on Galaxy A55 5G, your gateway to a new era of smartphone brilliance.